everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mackenzie and this is Sorority Recruitment 101, the only channel dedicated to answering the questions you may have about what it's like to be in a sorority and what it's like to go through sorority recruitment at a big university. As you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the biggest mistakes people make when they go through sorority recruitment. Now, there's a lot of mistakes people make during recruitment and they don't even realize they're doing it. So I've decided to create our second mini-series on this channel talking all about the mistakes people make during recruitment so you don't make them and you have the best recruitment experience possible. Before I jump into today's video, make sure you subscribe down below and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Also, if you want to join the Sorority Recruitment 101 family, make sure you follow us on all of our social media. We have some exciting announcements coming up and you definitely do not want to miss them. So I will link all of our socials in the description box below. All right, so let's talk mistakes during recruitment. I'm going to be talking about some of the things that kind of hinder your experience going through sorority recruitment and will make it more of a stressful time for you when it doesn't have to be. The first mistake people make during recruitment is trying to fit the mold of a certain house or change yourself to try and fit into a house. This is definitely something you should not do just because you're trying to find your home for the next 4 years and you're trying to find people like you. You're going to be spending a lot of time with your sorority, especially the girls in it. So definitely when you're going through recruitment, look for people who are just like you and you feel like you could be best friends with. This is one of the biggest things I tell my girls that I work with. If you're trying to fake your way into a house, you will be miserable. And if you have to change yourself in order to get certain people to like you, those aren't the people you want to be with. You want to be with people who love you just the way you are and support you no matter what. Something I want you to ask yourself during recruitment is when you're talking to someone, are you excited to introduce them to your best friends from home and your family? I say this because your support system back home knows you the best. And when you meet new people in college who are just like you can't wait to tell them about it. This is one of the things that helped me make my decision and choose the sorority I wanted to be in college. The second mistake people make during recruitment is if they compare themselves or their experience to the people around them. Recruitment is different for every single person. You'll have people in your group that have a full schedule and get asked back to every single house they wanted, and you'll have other people in your group that don't get asked back to that many. I know when I went through recruitment, I didn't have a full schedule at all. I had a decent amount of houses, but I did not have a full schedule, and I got asked back to houses that I didn't want back. Whereas my roommates had a full schedule every round and got back houses they really liked every single time. For me, I didn't really care. I was just excited to get a sorority at the end of the day, and this kind of helped my experience and helped me not get upset with my schedule each round. Definitely just stay in your own lane, stay focused, and work with what you've got. Now, if you're comparing yourself to others, this is something you should not do. Everyone is different and everyone is awesome in their own way. You guys all have something different to offer to the chapters, and they're just so excited to meet every single one of you. The third mistake people make during recruitment is listening to others' opinions and believing rumors. Let's start with listening to others' opinions. There's some girls who grew up in the state your college is in, so they think they know everything about the sororities at the school. They'll try and tell you stereotypes and rumors about the houses, but they've never been at the university before, so they wouldn't know any of that. And 99% of the time, the stereotypes are not true. Another way people share their opinions is after everyone gets their schedules back. When you get your schedule, I recommend not telling anyone what houses you got back. Say you get asked back to a house that you really like and someone else in your group who really liked that house got dropped from them and doesn't have them on their schedule the next round. What I've actually seen happen sometimes is the girls that get dropped will try and convince you not to go that house and will try and talk bad about that house just because they're jealous that they did not get asked back. Now, this is really sad and I don't know why people do this, but you really just need to steer clear of everyone else's opinions and make your decision based on your experience alone. Now, let's jump into rumors because this is one of my favorite parts of recruitment. People like to start rumors for some reason. I don't know why, but if you ever hear anything you're unsure of, go to your recruitment counselor. They know exactly what's happening and what's true and what's not, and they will be able to tell you exactly the way it is. So when I was a recruitment counselor my senior year, a funny rumor a freshman started was that one of the houses on our campus was in trouble with the federal government because their house looked too much like the White House. Someone actually started this rumor and I had girls coming to me asking if this was true, and we said absolutely not. That's crazy. But at the same time, it was actually really funny that someone came up with that. So long story short, don't listen to rumors and don't listen to other people's opinions because 99% of the time they are not true. The fourth mistake people make during recruitment is taking it too seriously. I know sometimes family members and friends put pressure on you to go a certain house, or you come into recruitment having your mind set on one certain house. Take a deep breath. You're gonna be fine. Recruitment is supposed to be fun. You get to go into every house and you get to meet all of these new people before school even starts. Just take a deep breath. You got this. You're gonna end up where you're supposed to be, so you might as well have fun along the way. Seriously, enjoy every single day because the rounds do get more fun as the week goes on, and before you know it, it's over and you're in a sorority. And the fifth and final mistake of this episode is not having recommendation letters. Now, if you're going to a smaller university that doesn't require recommendation letters, this mistake does not apply to you. But if you're going to a big university, this is crucial. Having recommendation letters shows alumni support you being a member of a certain sorority. It shows the active members that you have the same morals and values as they do and that you would be a great fit in their chapter. Having recommendation letters also ensures sororities see your resume, your headshot, and they know exactly who you are before you even step foot onto campus. If you have no clue how to find recommendation letters, don't worry, I got you. I made a video about the top 3 ways you can find recommendation letters, and I will link that video in the card right above. All right, you guys, so that's the end of the first episode of our new mini-series, Mistakes Made During Recruitment. I hope this video helped and gave you a little bit of insight on some of the mistakes people make during recruitment that they don't even realize they're making. You guys are going to do great with recruitment. Just make sure you have fun along the way. As always, you guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new video, and comment down below on the topics you want me to talk about next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.